My multimeter to check up this cable. Compressor is bad. This is 1.5 horsepower air condition, high sense. This 1.5 horsepower, if you check the model, you will see 12, and if you check okay, here we don't have the British thermal unit, we don't have the B2 here. So this is 1.5 horsepower, and the client just complained that the AC doesn't come up. Understand? The AC doesn't come on, and it has been like this for long. So as it stands now, we want to know what is the problem. We want to test it to know what is actually the problem, why the AC is not coming on, why the AC is not cooling. So we are on the troubleshooting process now. I will lead you through the process for you to see how we get it settled, how we actually arrange it, how we make it to come on. So first thing first, I will need to check up this cable. I will use my multimeter to check up this cable to know if actually voltage is coming down here. If voltage is coming down here, then I'll need to check. If you look down inside, you will see a capacitor there, and I'll need to check the capacitor if the capacitance is still okay. And also, if you look down here, this is where the compressor is situated. Inside is where the compressor is situated. And also, this compressor has, yes, it has. This compressor has an overload. So I'll also check the overload to know if the overload is bad. That's why the system is not actually starting. So if it's actually like this, and there is a voltage down this line, if voltage comes into this line and the cable is actually okay, you will observe that this fan here, the outdoor fan will start spinning. Then if the outdoor fan spins, understand? If the outdoor fan spins, then that's to say this cable is okay. If the outdoor fan spins and compressor doesn't come up, then we now know where to go. It is either the overload down there or the capacitor up here. If it's the capacitor, we don't get it changed and everything is settled. If it's the overload, we get it changed also. We replace it with a new one and everything is settled. But if voltage doesn't come down here, so that's where the issue is actually getting a little bit high or a little bit high. So we need to trace from here to any other point. We need to know to check to know why the voltage is not coming down here. If the cable is dead, we know. If the indoor doesn't transfer to the outdoor, we still check it from there. So I will take you through the process. Just stay tuned. Thank you. So as you can see, I have tested the positive and negative terminal of the indoor unit that is sending out, and there is a voltage reading here which is 173, and this 173 is enough to run the air condition. That's to say, now let's go out and test the outdoor unit to know what is actually wrong. Alright, we're outside now trying to test the outdoor system to be sure of the leads. We've put in the positive to the positive terminal and negative to the negative terminal to cross check. Have you seen? There's nothing here. That's to tell that there's something wrong somewhere, and I believe what is wrong there should be the cable. The communication cable is dead, so we have to change up this cable and replace it with another one. That's just it. So for the sake of troubleshooting, we had to use this wire for testing, and we use this one banded with white tape for the live and this for the neutral. So we've exonerated the earth for now, so let's go behind to see what's going on. Alright, as I said earlier, we've exonerated this particular set of cables, and we use this for live and it's on live, and we use this for the neutral and it's on neutral. So let the earth remain pending. Let's start it up to see how it goes. You see that? I just had to fly the wire direct to the AC. Let's see how it goes. So from our troubleshooting, we just discovered that the compressor is bad. Understand? Compressor is gone dead, and starting it, I'm sorry I could not show you the reaction. The reaction wasn't something I could withstand. So the compressor is dead. We have to replace it with another. That's just it. Thank you. Stay tuned.